Good morning, student. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is adverb. Adverbs in the last period we have seen verbs. So, as you know, what is verbs? Doing words are known as verbs. जिसमें कोई action हो वो words हमें पता है, that is known as verbs. So, similarly here we are going to see adverbs. So, what are adverbs? Adverb describes a action words. So जो एक्शन वर्ड्स हमें पता है उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन, उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन हमें देने वाला वर्ड होता है एडवर्ब. समथिंग मोर अबाउट वर्ब. हमें एडवर्ब इज अ वर्ड दैट टेल्स समथिंग मोर अबाउट अ वर्ब. तो वर्ब के बारे में और इंफॉर्मेशन देने वाला होता है एडवर्ब. एंड एडवर्ब टेल्स अस हाउ, वेयर और व्हेन आर द एक्शन हैपन. कब, कहाँ, किधर एक्शन होना है, ये वर्ड्स हमें बताते हैं. द वर्ड्स डेली, समवेयर, रेगुलरली, कामली, नोवेयर, फ्रीली, साइलेंटली, नियर, सून आर सम ऑफ द एडवर्ब्स. ये वर्ड्स है जिन्हें हम एडवर्ब्स बोल सकते हैं. एडवर्ब्स नेवर डिस्क्राइब्स अ नाउन और प्रोनाउन. यस, adverbs they never describes a noun और pronoun. वो हमें noun और pronoun के बारे में नहीं बताते हैं. Most of the time we get confused in adverbs and adjective. तो बहुत बार बच्चे adverb और किस में confuse हो जाते हैं? adjective में. तो हमें कुछ points याद रखने हैं adverb और adjective को अलग रखने में. कौन से points है? We should remember the following points. So one of them you can say adverb describes verb. The adverb, remember always adverb describes only verbs and adjective describes noun. Adverbs never describes a noun. It describes only verb. Okay, you have understood this? So one example I am going to give you. I ate a heavy meal. मैंने बहुत ही heavy meal खाया है. तो अब यहाँ पे meal क्या हो गया? noun. Meal is a noun. और heavy, the word heavy describes a noun meal. यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा कि heavy जो word है वो किसको describe कर रहा है? meal को. और हम अब दूसरा example देखेंगे. The dress is elegant. तो elegant क्या है? ये है adjective. और dress क्या है? वो है noun. Here elegant describes the word dress. तो अभी हमने देखा elegant किसको describe कर रहा है? ड्रेस के बारे में बता रहा है. तो ऐसे ही हमने कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स अभी देखे. तो वी आर गोइंग टू मूव टूवर्ड्स द सी दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस एंड फनी पोएम. Everybody will love it. See, you can, I'm going to read and explain you this poem. So you have to understand what is adverb. Okay. So open your textbook on page number, it is 94. So here see the first stanza. Let us read the poem about what happened to Matthew family one day. So a family is there, Matthew family. So some stanza, in this stanza a boy, little Jim. So I am going to read for you, then I am going to explain you. Little Jim was playing with his ball. He bounced it against the wall. Soon there came a crash. Mother's was smash. Do you think he went away from there? Quietly, quietly, quietly. Yes. So what happened? A little boy named Jim. So he was playing with his ball. So when you play with the ball, it bounces. Bounces यानी क्या? It comes up and down. Continuously up and down ball जब होता है तो we can say it as in bouncing. So it is against the wall. Soon there came a crash. So sound was heard, that was crash. So if it is you want a meaning in Hindi, it is धमाके के साथ आवाज़ होती है. कोई बॉल किसी चीज़ से टकरा जाती तो what happens? जोर से आवाज़ होती है. So that is known as crash. When that sound came out, so mother was smashed. So vase, it is just a flower pot, a big flower pot, it is known as vase. So it smashed. तो उसका क्या हो गया? वो टूट गया. तो उसके टुकड़े हो गए. इस वजह से वो बॉल की वजह से वो लगने से वो टूट चुका था. How did you think he went away from there? So, a little Jim, yes. When it happens with you also, what you do? You try to run from there, na? So, if anybody, it might happen with you also, na? Sometimes the ball might have eaten something and you want to escape from there. So, in the same way, this Jim wanted to escape, and what did he did? He quietly. तो क्वाइटली मीनिंग इज चुपके से, शांति से वो वहाँ से जाने के लिए निकल पड़ा. तो व्हाट हैपेंड? quietly. The same way, next paragraph is there, that is of a girl. So see, you can see a picture of a girl here. So what's her name? We're going to see. The lovely cake sat on the table. Into the room came hungry Mabel. She looked left and right, and there was no one in sight. How do you think she gobbled it up? Quickly. So a cake was there on the table. And who came there? Mabel. A girl named Mabel. She came there and she looked here and there, means right and left. She was looking there. There was no one in her sight. No one she could see. उसने किसी को भी नहीं देखा. तो whenever you see a cake and nobody is saying to you, what you try to do? You try to gobble. Gobble means you eat quickly. आप उसको जल्दी जल्दी खाने की कोशिश करते. तो सेम वे शी वॉज ईटिंग, सो क्विकली. सो शी थॉट कि nobody should see me and the whole cake she should eat. So how did she ate? She ate quickly. And third is the most important paragraph here. See, stanza. Mother came back from the market. Now who came back? Yes, her mother came back. She had many goodies in her basket. So when mother goes to market, what she bring? She brings some nice and exciting things from the market. So that are called as goodies. In her basket, she looked at the broken vase. When she enters the home, she sees that, oh, the vase is broken. On the table, no cake there was. So when she went out, the cake was on the table, and when she returned back, she couldn't see any cake. How do you think she screamed at the kids? So whenever it happens, you can think of your home. When your mother gets angry, what she does? She screams. Scream यानी cry loudly in a high voice, जोर से चीखना. तो what your mother or her mother is doing? She screams at the kids. Kids यानी बच्चों के ऊपर चीखे बात करना. That is loudly. तो screaming is always loudly. So in this poem, you can see the words quietly, quickly, and loudly. Well, there are many lessons we can learn from the Matthew family, and one of them is about the words that end with ly. So you can see in this, all these three words, what is the common thing? Yes, at the ending ly is there. Quietly, quickly, loudly. So every word is having ly as the ending. What do you think it is? So let us investigate more. So what do you think? So these words are known as adverbs. So investigation in the second page number 95. So paragraph A, read the passage below. Underline all the words that end with ly. So a passage is given, you have to just read it out and find the ly words in this passage. A little boy with his mother lived happily in a cottage on a hill. The sun shone brightly and the wind blew softly, and everywhere the birds chirped merrily. Indeed, it was a wonderful place to live in, but one day dark clouds gathered threateningly. The thunder crashed loudly and lightning flashed frighteningly. The little boy looked tearfully at his mother. The mother hugged him tenderly. Do not be frightened so quickly, she said. Always remember there is someone up there who looks down at us lovingly and will always take care of us. So here it is in paragraph. In this paragraph, a boy and his mother was living happily in the cottage. The sun was shining brightly and the wind blew softly. So you can see the words happily ending is ly, brightly ly, and softly ly. So you have to underline this words that are adverbs. Merrily, so you underline merrily means happily they were living. Indeed it was a wonderful place to live in. बहुत ही अच्छी जगह थी वो रहने के लिए. But one day what happened? The dark cloud gathered threateningly. So you underline this word. Thunder crashed loudly means a loud was there from the clouds. A light flash. So whenever the clouds threateningly, so there is a loud voice, and frightening, we can feel frightening. So frighteningly you have to underline that word. Boy looked tearfully at his mother. So tearfully he looked at his mother. The mother hugged him tenderly. So mother, as soon as the boy came to her, she hugged him. Frighteningly, so quickly, she said, always remember there is someone up who looks down to us lovingly. So she said, don't be afraid. There is always someone who looks down to us lovingly and will always take care of us. So there is someone up who takes care of us. So in this paragraph you can see some words are there with ending with ly. You have to just see that and underline that word. So just read the words which we have underlined. Happily, then here brightly, softly, merrily. Next is here tenderly, loudly, frighteningly, quickly, cheerfully, tenderly, lovingly. So in total I think it is 11. 11 adverbs are there, you can see here. So what is special about this word? Yes, they tell us how something was done. So what did they tell us? What something is done. Example, the little boy and his mother live happily in the cottage and the hill. How did the little boy and his mother live? So it is a question. How did they live? कैसे रहते थे वो? They lived happily. The sun shone brightly. How did the sun shine? Yes, answer is brightly. The wind blow softly. How did the wind blow? So you can say brightly. Remember, words that